In this video, I'll show you 5 different ways to add all the numbers in a column in Excel, from the fastest one-click method to options that give you more control. The quickest way is using AutoSum. Click on the cell directly below the last number in your column. Now go to the Home tab and look for the AutoSum button in the Editing group on the right side of the ribbon. It has a sigma symbol. Click it, and Excel automatically inserts a formula and highlights the cells it's totaling with a moving border. Press Enter, and your total appears. If the highlighted range doesn't include all the numbers you want, just drag the corner handles to adjust it. If that doesn't fit your needs, the next method is typing the function manually. Click the cell where you want the total, then type equals sum dot. Now either click and drag over the cells you want to add, or type the range manually like A1:A10. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. This gives you more control over exactly which cells to include, and you can even sum non-adjacent cells by separating ranges with commas. If you just want a quick answer without adding a formula to your sheet, use the status bar method. Click the column letter at the top to select the entire column, then look at the bottom right of your Excel window. The status bar automatically shows you the sum. As soon as you click away, the number disappears. If you don't see it, right-click the status bar and make sure sum is checked. For keyboard users, there's a faster option. Select the cell where you want the total and press Alt equals on Windows. Excel guesses which cells you want to add and inserts the formula automatically. Press Enter to confirm. On Mac, use Command-Shift-T. This is functionally the same as method 1 but keeps your hands on the keyboard. The last method is for dynamic columns where rows get added or deleted often. Click any cell outside the column you're summing, type equals sum, then the column letter followed by a colon, and the same letter again, like A:(A), and press Enter. This sums every number in that column and updates automatically when you add or remove rows. Just don't put this formula in the same column you're totaling or it'll create a circular reference. Here are a few things to keep in mind. If your totals look wrong, check if some numbers are formatted as text. The sum function ignores text values, so you'll need to convert those cells to numbers first. You can always see the formula you've created by looking at the formula bar at the top of the Excel window. If none of these methods work for your situation, the issue is likely something specific to your data setup.